Over the past 36 hours, the United States and its partners have launched Operation Epic Fury, one of the largest, most complex, most overwhelming military offensives the world has ever seen. Nobody's seen anything like it.
Today, I authorize the Armed Forces of the United States to begin a limited military action in Libya in support of an international effort to protect Libyan civilians. That action has now begun.
At this hour, American and coalition forces are in the early stages of military operations to disarm Iraq, to free its people, and to defend the world from grave danger.
Fellow citizens, last night I ordered U.S. military forces to Panama. No president takes such action lightly.
I wish it were possible to convince others with words of what we now find it necessary to say with guns and planes.
It shall be the policy of this nation to regard any nuclear missile launched from Cuba against any nation in the Western Hemisphere as an attack by the Soviet Union on the United States, requiring a full retaliatory response upon the Soviet Union.
Hitler and the Japanese generals miscalculated badly 10 years ago when they thought we would not be able to use our economic power effectively for the defeat of aggression.